Hi, I'm Madeline Byrne, your host for the series as we delve into your considerations in moving to SAP S4HANA Cloud. AI is no longer a phase two conversation. It's reshaping how businesses compete today. But the real question is your ERP ready for it? I'm joined by Ryan DaCosta, Deputy Head of SAP at Fujitsu, to explore why SAP S4HANA Cloud isn't just an ERP upgrade. It's the digital core that makes AI possible. We'll be exploring why legacy systems struggle to support AI, real-world AI use cases that S4HANA Cloud enables, and how leaders can design for AI from day one. AI can't succeed without the right foundation. It needs real-time data, clean processes, and a system that can embed intelligence directly into workflows. That's why I asked Ryan why SAP S4HANA Cloud is considered the digital core for AI and what happens when organizations try to bolt AI onto legacy systems.
AI thrives on three things: real-time data, standardized processes, and embedded intelligence. That's exactly what SAP S4HANA Cloud was built for. It's the backbone that feeds AI with high-quality data and lets automation run seamlessly inside business processes. Legacy systems, by contrast, weren't designed for this. They're fragmented, full of custom code, and rely on batch updates. Try bolting AI onto that, and you get patchwork solutions, insights that arrive too late, automations that break, and costs that spiral. Without a modern ERP core like SAP S4HANA, AE stays stuck at the experiment stage, never scaling to deliver enterprise-wide value.
So what does AI look like in action when it's built on a solid ERP foundation? I asked Ryan for a couple of real-world examples where SAP S4HANA Cloud can already enable tangible AI-driven business value today.
The great thing about SAP S4HANA Cloud is that its embedded analytics and clean data layer make AI use cases practical and scalable. For example, intelligent invoice matching in finance. AI reconciles payables and receivables automatically to reduce errors and free up teams. Or smart approvals in procurement, where AI reviews vendor history, contracts, and risk factors to flag exceptions before they cause delays. Another powerful one is anomaly detection in supply and demand planning. IE highlights unusual patterns early, helping leaders act before disruptions escalate. These aren't futuristic pilots. They're tangible ERP improvements that cut cost, speed up processes, and build confidence in decisions.
Looking ahead, many executives ask, how do you make sure you're building a future-ready foundation for AI, not just a modernized ERP? I put that question to Ryan.
The organizations that succeed with AI don't treat it as a later phase. They design for it from day one. That starts with use cases, knowing which business processes you want to make smarter in the future, whether in finance, supply chain, or customer operations. It also means tackling data readiness upfront. Cleansing and governing master data before migration ensures AI has a foundation it can trust. And finally, skills and culture. Your teams need to be trained and confident in AI-enabled processes, with change management embedded from the start. When you weave these into your SAP S4HANA Cloud journey, you're not just modernizing. You're building a digital core that's ready to scale AE faster than your competitors.
Thank you, Ryan, for sharing your insights. What we've heard today is clear. SAP S4HANA Cloud isn't just an ERP upgrade. It's the digital core that makes AI possible. Real value comes from intelligent use cases that cut cost and boost agility. And designing for AI from day one ensures you're building a foundation to compete long into the future. In our next episode, we'll explore why leadership and shared ownership are non-negotiable in making transformations succeed. In the meantime, download our SAP S4HANA Cloud Beyond the Deadline Strategic Playbook. It's built to give you the clarity, prompts, and strategies to approach migration with confidence and turn a deadline into a launchpad for growth. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to continuing the conversation in our next episode.